Hello, colleagues. My name is Ricardo Viana, and I'm Enterprise Integration Architect, also SAP BTP Expert Developer, all capabilities, and independent solo researcher. Today in this video, I would like to present you what I'm going to release in the first version of the EventSmartKafka adapter for SAP SCN community. Is one important thing to mention that this is not a production grade or SAP certified adapter. This is only for stud cases and others. One point is this is not a UI demo, synthetic demo adapter. This is a runtime validation using integration with SAP CPI, SAP Cloud Connector, local Kafka, Cloud Kafka, multi-security profile 3 types, Avro conversion payload 2 types, and parallel iFlow processing. As you can see my screen, we have the full classes that I'm going to deliver in GitHub, only the consumer side, the sender side in this first release. If you want, you just need to clone the Git and compile by yourself, but in parallel, I'm going to deliver to you 2 packages. One package with the pre-configured iFlow that you just need to deploy, also with the documentation and a documentation how to configure the adapter and the executive presentation, and the package of the iFlows that following SDA. Semantic Domain Integration Architect is one architecture governance that I delivered this year. All the specifications are in the Zenodo repository. It's an open source. Coming back to the package, as you can see the name of the package, Acme BR Sales O2C Integration. What it means this? Company, division, domain, subprocess integration. It means that this package specifically is a centralized repository for the integration flows, custom integration flows, exclusive and dedicated for the division BR and order to cache. Here you have a 26 pre-configured iFlows that you just need to set up the configuration. All parameters is externalized and you can use. Now let's see how to configure this adapter. Hello colleagues, now we are going to the user experience of EventSmartKafka custom adapter for SAP CPI. We have 5 tabs. Each tab your responsibility. First tab is regards the connectivity, where you have a table that you add the information of broker and port, connectivity mode, internet or on-premise, authentication, known or source, TLS or no TLS, source mechanism, plan and Scrum, also custom and private certificate. But this is not IMI-TLS, this is a source SSL integration. We have the processing tab where you add the information of topic, how you want the partition assignment. You have automatic partition or explicit partition. And topic and partition, you can use a pattern with comma. Also, we have auto offset, latest, early, and known. We have error handling, skip, header, and stop on error. Header you can make 5 times or 10 times. Also, the way that you are going to fetch this file with the maximum of 20 megabytes. Message recover is the most important part of this adapter because you can recover any message that was committed already in Kafka based on the timestamp. Then you can decide the style. Read on that one or read that one and forward all. The conversion, known and XML and JSON, where you add some informations, and advanced tab. Now let's go for the test. Hello colleagues, now we are going for the test phase of the adapter. As you can see, I have 3 different tunnels. The tunnels are not ready because the local Kafka is not up. I'm going to up this local Kafka, then we are going to proceed with test. This is the whole command, okay? I built this, I'm going to release this also in the GitHub. Now let's see the creation of the containers. So the container is in starting processing. It's going to take like few seconds to start the local Kafka. Now is ready. If I go to the cloud connector, I will have the connectivity now. And now let's go for the first smoke test. I'm going to send 1 message for each topic, then 10 messages, then 100,000 messages, then 800,000 messages. Hello colleagues, now we are going for 100,000 message test. So we sent already 100,000 messages without any failure, over 22 iFlows with 3 tunnels. Now let's see how will be the behavior of the system with 800,000 messages. We are talking about 1,000 messages per second, 10 megabytes per second, and we start to publish in the topics. Then soon I'm going back with the result. Let's see in CPI what's going there. So the number is growing. Soon I come back with the results and the compilation of this video of this series of the. So colleagues, let's go for the last part of this video. So I sent around 800,000 messages to SAP CPI, another 167,000 messages per second, and everything was processed with success. Let's see in CPI. So in CPI we have also more than 800,000 messages with success over 22 iFlows. What was tested in the adapt itself was around 1,500,000 message plus. So the adapt is released as the first version for the SAP SN community to help the colleagues to learn and to improve their skills regards the SAP custom adapter for SAP CPI. So thank you very much. I hope that you enjoyed the series. See you in the next blog.